Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. And today we're checking out something simple, sleek, and surprisingly powerful for its size. This right here is the mini oven, the electric kitchen and 12-liter grill. Now, don't let the compact form factor fool you. This little oven comes with a small baking timer, a double-layer glass door, upper and lower heating elements, and convection technology to make sure your food cooks evenly. And the best part? It's wrapped up in this clean white finish that looks modern and minimal on pretty much any kitchen countertop. So, let's get into what makes this oven special and why it might actually be the perfect fit for your space. Right off the bat, the design is the first thing you'll notice. A lot of mini ovens either look too bulky or too cheap, but this one strikes a good balance. The white finish makes it blend in with most modern kitchens, and the double glass door adds not just durability, but also better heat insulation. That means your food cooks more efficiently while the outer surface stays relatively cooler. It's the kind of small design choice that makes a big difference in day-to-day use. Now, capacity-wise, we're looking at 12 liters. And yeah, that doesn't sound like a lot compared to your typical big kitchen oven, but here's the thing, this is built for smaller spaces and quicker tasks. Think about apartments, dorms, offices, or even just as a secondary oven when you don't want to fire up the big one. With 12 liters, you can bake small cakes, roast veggies, heat up pizza, or even grill a couple of chicken breasts without breaking a sweat. Speaking of grilling, this oven has both upper and lower heating elements, which means you're not just limited to one style of cooking. Want to bake something with a crispy top? Use the upper heating. Want even heat for a cake or bread? Use both. And when you add convection into the mix, hot air circulates around your food, giving you that golden, even cook that normally only larger ovens can pull off. Now, the control panel here is very straightforward. You've got an adjustable timer, which is super convenient for quick meals. No overthinking, no complicated presets, just twist the knob and go. It also supports a range of temperatures suitable for baking, grilling, or toasting, so you've got flexibility without the learning curve. This is a kitchen gadget that's made for people who want results fast without dealing with unnecessary complexity. One of the things I really appreciate is the double-layer glass door. Not only does it help with heat retention, but it also gives you a clear view of what's cooking inside. If you've ever had an oven where you constantly open the door to check your food, you know that drops the temperature and messes up the bake. With this, you just peek through the glass and you're good to go. Let's talk about size and practicality. Because of its compact footprint, you can literally fit this on almost any countertop without losing too much space. It's lightweight enough to move around, so if you're tight on space, you can tuck it away in a cabinet when you're not using it. That flexibility makes it appealing not just for home kitchens, but also for RVs, vacation homes, or even as a backup oven when you're entertaining a lot of guests. Now let's be honest, not everyone needs a full-sized oven. If you're someone who cooks smaller portions, this mini oven is going to save you a lot of time and energy. Instead of preheating a massive oven, you can get this up to temperature way faster, which means less waiting and more eating. And yes, it's also more energy efficient, which is always a bonus. I've tried out a variety of small ovens over time, and the main problem I run into is uneven heating. Either the top burns before the bottom is done, or the edges cook while the middle stays raw. But here, the combination of upper and lower elements plus convection helps solve that issue. So whether you're baking cookies, roasting potatoes, or toasting bread, you're going to get more consistent results. Let's talk use cases. Picture this, you come home after work, you don't want to spend an hour cooking. Throw some seasoned veggies in here, set the timer, and by the time you've changed clothes, dinner's ready. Or maybe it's a weekend morning, you're making breakfast, and you want